Ooh, I haven't left in this early in the morning when I used to. I got a noise complaint. That was probably 2 weeks ago, and I haven't left early since. Told him I was gonna fix my exhaust, which I still have to fix it because it's still freaking loud. Yeah, I know you guys can't see me. I'm using the camera. I feel like I used to use my phone, but I gotta save battery. Do I have my charger? Yeah, I do. Yeah. So as you can tell, I don't have the red light anymore. So you know it's super bright. Please don't give me a noise complaint. I'm gonna try to leave as soon as I can. I was reading up on cold starts, and apparently it's not bad to drive after you start your car. Maybe after like a second. But you know the thing with this car, I was reading something. It's not bad to leave with your car not like warmed up, even though you know every car guy does that. But I mean, there probably is a real another reason. But from my understanding, there isn't really. But it's not drop automatic. I don't even know if that makes a difference. But that's I'm not ready because I mean, it's not too early. It's only 5:46. And we're about to get this cold start on because I gotta go. Not bad. Alright, we're out of here. I was reading something where they said to leave like right after you started. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just can't drive it hard. Another thing is my tire is flat. Not flat, but it's tire lights on, and you know what? I can't do this. I gotta warm up my car. It's just something I have to do. It's like call me an idiot, but fucking I already drove it. I don't know. It will make a difference if I warm it up after driving it and then warm it up here. I don't know. I like to get my car to operating temperatures. Probably warm it up further up. Anyway guys, I'll let you know in a bit. Let me just get to the place and I'll talk to you guys more. Hopefully you guys heard what I said because the window's down. But yeah. Alright, a little late. This address was kind of difficult to get to, but we're here. Always having trouble to get to this house. Okay, so it's been an hour. It's been like 30 minutes since I left the house. Something's wrong with the EVO, and I'm not even sure if it's safe to even drive it. So for today's video, we are going up to LA. We're gonna get his transmission fixed because right now it's not good right now. So he's putting in a new transmission, stage 3, whatever, and he stalled. Oh, it's gonna be so hard to get it up there. We have to go to San Bernardino. That's 2 hours literally from here. So hopefully this works out. You good?
Yeah, it's bad.
Alright, yeah. Alright, yeah, let's get the fuck out of here. Today we are whipping the Altima, the Daily. Geez, he does sit fairly far back. So right now we're going to Los Angeles, going to this shop called Tuning Technologies. They're giving a deal for the transmission and clutch, and then they're asking him to, they already got the parts, so they're asking him to drive it up all the way up to LA. He's getting a racing transmission from what I heard. I don't know what model it is, we'll find out when we get there, but we have 2 hours of driving. Man, does this suck already. It's already 6:30. If you guys live in LA, or he was from San Diego that drive to LA, this traffic, it's like 2 hours. It's 136 miles of driving. So, then there's a lot of San Diego and LA traffic that we're not down for. We are almost there. Actually, it's green. It's green. That EVO sure does sound nice, but that transmission is like braking, so it needs to be fixed, and that's what we're doing today. And right now it's gonna be like we're 2 minutes away. We're in San Bernardino, east of LA, and oh my god, it's bouncing. Oh my god, my car would not survive this. Dude, it'd be a nice photo shoot. I like the industrial look when it comes to like taking pictures of cars. I really think that's like really cool. And shit, we're here. Damn. Them Federals though? Man, this is a shop full of EVOs. Dude, that's gone.
Yeah, they just sheared it. That's an EVO 896.
And that's not putting oil in your transmission?
That's running it extremely low on oil. It gets really hot, and the gear tips get thinner and thinner and thinner.
Yeah.
And then it gets so hot that they just shear.
That's pretty bad. We grinded on 6th gear.
That's beyond the grind.
Holy shit.
Yeah. No, that's pretty much it, man. So we're gonna get started, and the timeline still holds true, and then I'll just call you as soon as I have some information and let you know.
More likely, it might be done Friday or something, and then
I think
Saturday is just for overkill kind of thing.
It's definitely. It's gonna take us a whole day to do the to build our transmission.
Okay.
Yeah,
Shout out to Tuning Technology Racing. It's like EVO heaven. I don't know, one day I kind of want to own an EVO. It's also been another dream car other than this, like Subaru. Like if you ask a Subaru owner, maybe his dream car or like his other car that he would get would be an EVO for sure. But dude, all you smell in here is E85, E85. One day I'll probably own a warehouse, hopefully. One day.
No?
Yeah. Oh shit. That's crazy.
What is that, a turbo?
So yeah, this may be a TS model, but this thing is supercharged. How much does the supercharger say on
I
the
think it
forms?
has about 100 horsepower.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's
We're
pretty.
gonna be putting
that's pretty
headers
cool.
on it, a full exhaust.
What's on the one on the left?
That's a twin turbo G35.
Oh shit.
Monster intercooler.
Okay. Alright, thanks, Alfred.
Drive safe.
All right.
You too.
Nice
Hey,
meeting you.
yeah, you too.
Let me know if you can help with that, okay?
For sure.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
God, I feel so weak. When I don't eat something, I am starving. Or when I don't eat something, I am super weak. What are you looking at, dude? I didn't smell anything until you like, dude, disgusting. I'm blurring that out, but dude, the fuck? I don't want to drink this anymore. Back in San Diego. After the trip of going to LA to drop off his EVO, we're back here. He's probably gonna see it Saturday, and I'll probably come back Saturday.
Saturday evening.
Yep. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Is that protein? Oh no, it's like a seafoam.
Dude,
Are you strapped?
I got the goods.
You got the goods. So you put this in your engine.
It cleans it.
You sure?
By the power of YouTube, I can confirm that is true.
Will it work?
It will work.
It's gonna cause hella smoke.
Yup. It's gonna look like a car's broken.
Alright guys, so for today's video we are going to well actually this is probably going to be a continuation of that other video that I filmed 2 days ago. So after we got back from the shop, Strictly went home, but right now we're going, Jalen's with me right now. I gotta go meet Zach at 1 so we can go up to LA. Oh yeah, I took off the stars and got new tires like I said, and I raised the front and I didn't raise the rear, but I raised the front, but I still rub so bad in the rear.
It looks good. It looks good.
It's the first time.
You fucked up. You're rubbing.
Yeah, I know, in the rear.
I don't know how they're wider, but they're like the same size.
I know, that doesn't make any sense. They're the same size tires, just different brands.
But if it's the same size, it's the same size, right?
I have no idea.
That makes no fucking sense. Oh shit.
Alright, neutral, because I would hate to. Oh shit.
Holy shit, dude, look at that.
It is finally time to pick up his EVO, and we are gonna pick it up. We're gonna pick it up from Tuner, but we're gonna pick it up from that one place. Another 2 hours. Here we go. Oh, look at this! Look at that fitment. rip the rub though. That's the only thing that sucks. What's up? You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Hello, let's get the EVO.
Let's go get the EVO.
The car looks the same. Nah, it's just a transmission that we just that we're doing on that thing. A lot more cars than there was before. But dude, twin turbo, fat intercooler.
Go back. Here she is. Thank you to Jay for helping me out.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate you so much. Little Defi gauges to put in there, you know.
Great.
Beautiful Defi gauges.
Dude, shop is closing, but dude, look at all those EVOs, dude. Glad that Zach got his EVO back, got the transmission in there. I was feeling it just a little bit. Pretty good so far. Now we're heading back home. Rip fender. Oh, dude, look at that. That's so bad.
Damn, what nice wheels you have. It would be a shame if somebody fucking rubbed. There you go, now you can see everything.
Feels like an older car.
I know it does.
Yeah. But oh shit.
It moves faster than
Definitely faster than fucking Emilio's car. Holy shit, that's quick.
You heard it backfire?
Yeah.